Here's an easy way to turn on airplane mode on your iPad. Swipe down from the top right corner, and from the control center that appears, tap the airplane icon. And to turn airplane mode off, tap the same icon again. If your control center doesn't have the button for airplane mode, tap the plus icon up top, and then add a control on the bottom. Then scroll or search for airplane mode, and you can either add the connectivity bundle that I have, or a standalone button for airplane mode. Once in the control center, the buttons can be resized and repositioned by tapping and dragging them. On some iPad, you'll need to do this from the settings. Go to Settings and then from the left choose Control Center. Depending on the model, you might see a menu here that lets you add buttons to your control center. And speaking of settings, another easy way to turn on airplane mode is directly through your settings. On the very top on the left, there's a simple toggle that you can turn on and off. Airplane mode turns off all wireless connections on your iPad, including cellular, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS, while letting you manually turn Wi-Fi or Bluetooth back on if needed. Click that like button if this helped, and check out my iPad playlist for more easy, useful guides like this.